At Piedmont Medical Center-Fort Mill,
Any interested doctors in the room? Okay.
career and technology education students had the unique opportunity to explore various career paths within the healthcare industry.
But you're going to get something out of every job if you put something into it. This morning, our students had a great opportunity to learn about different professions in the healthcare industry. Some of the ones we think about, like surgeons and nurses, and also some of the ones we don't always think about, like business analysts and strategists.
I thought business was interesting because it was competitive.
These CTE students enjoyed the opportunity to learn from top experts in state-of-the-art robotics.
It has more flexibility in where it can reach.
The knee replacement specialists harness robotic technology to make a meaningful impact on patient care.
So we had a chance to educate the students on what we call the Mako robot. It's an orthopedic robotic system that we use for total hips and total knees.
We will teach the computer where the end of the bone is.
This cutting-edge technology allows surgeons to use the data from the pre-surgical scans to align the joint and balance the ligaments precisely.
I thought it was super cool to see how technology is being integrated into healthcare as I'm planning on pursuing nursing in college. It's nice to see how the healthcare field is developing.
The computer now knows and the robot, exactly where the tip of this blade is.
After a demonstration of how the Mako Robotic Arm integrates robotics with knee replacements, the students had a chance to demonstrate what they learned with a hands-on opportunity to experience how this new technology can modernize healthcare.
A very different experience because when we're in the classroom, we're more hands-on and with patients and doing things manually, but it's really cool to see how robotics and stuff can help with more precision and faster recovery time.
It kind of holds you there. It doesn't let you mess up.
I thought it was really cool when we got to go up there and practice cutting the soft tissue. That was super cool to see how the machine pushes you back and allows you to stay in the line so you get a precision cut.
These beyond the classroom educational experiences will provide CTE students with valuable knowledge beyond the study of robotic knee replacements.
I think one of the most important things we can do is to bring our students out into the real world to continue their studies. So they're learning the theory, they're learning the book smart piece from the classroom, but then they get to go out into the field in a real world setting to learn how that knowledge is applied in the real world. So I think it's an amazing opportunity for our students that will keep them interested in their career or maybe spark new interests that they didn't know they had.
Catawba Ridge High School senior Lily believes these experiences will help her focus on the opportunities available for her future in the healthcare industry.
But once you're hands-on, it really gives you a surreal experience of what you're gonna see and be doing every day. So it's kind of nice to get a broader view on what healthcare is and see different avenues and different paths you can go on as a student when you're looking for what kind of job you want to do or what career you want to pursue in college.